And here's the tape. It's like a winter gift. The winter guest that was put on July 14th, 1998. And here's the last films that I need to watch / rewatch from 2024. This is the last film that I will watch / rewatch. So, yeah.
Coming soon to a motion picture theater near you.
Following previous underlying from most pictures of America.
For those of you going on to college next year, the chance of finding a good job will actually decrease.
The chance of contracting HIV from a non-monogamous lifestyle will climb to
4 years ago, when ozone depletion was at just 10% of its current level.
By this time, over 20 years old,
2.5 degrees.
Okay, in the first Pleasantville episode, whose window did Bud break when he was playing with his father's golf clubs?
Easy, Mr. Jenkins. You're unbelievable. There are two ways of life.
Oh my God, here they come. Don't do anything.
The way life is. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
I don't know, I'm thinking about that red thing. It's not sleazy. It's fun.
And the perfect way we wish it could be.
Honey, I'm home.
How was your day?
Oh, swell. What's that smell? Is that your meatloaf? It might be.
It might be.
But what would happen
What are you doing?
The Pleasantville Marathon starts at 6:30.
if our world finally met our expectations?
Look at me. I'm pasty.
Hi, sport. Hi, Muffin. Better get a move on. You'll be late for school.
We're in Pleasantville?
Hi, looks like it's going to be another sunny day. High 72, low 72, not a cloud in the sky.
Well, come on, kids. You're not going off to school without a hot breakfast inside you.
I don't know what you've done to us, but you better fix it fast.
You have to just play along for a little while. I am Bud Parker.
Bud.
And you are Mary Sue. We're supposed to be in school.
We're supposed to be in color? Mary Sue. Yeah. What's outside of Pleasantville? I don't understand.
Come on, man, let's go.
Like stuck in Nerdville.
Hello, Mary Sue.
Who's that?
Skip Martin, captain of the basketball team. If I was to go up to your sister, Mary Sue. Oh my God. Are we in that episode? Please, if you don't go out with this guy, we can alter their whole existence, and then we may never get home.
Do you want to leave? Do you want to go somewhere?
But where can we go?
Lover's Lane?
Lover's Lane. Stop! Jennifer! I didn't think you'd want to come here until we've been pinned for a little while.
You can pin me anytime you want to. Or maybe I should just pin you.
She's a fine young woman. She would never do anything for us to be concerned about.
This fall, innocence takes a backseat.
Mary Sue, what goes on up at Lover's Lane?
Sex.
What sex?
Paradise gets lost.
Oh my God.
You don't understand. You're messing with the whole universe.
And black and white is history.
Well, what's outside of Pleasantville?
What's outside of Pleasantville?
There's some places where the road keeps going.
Gee whiz. From the creator of Big and Dave. Spreading all over the place. I'm sure you've noticed the same things we all have. Look at her looks. Look at her sweater. Certain changes in the town. Hear about Bill Miller?
No, what?
Wife wants him to get one of those new beds.
One of those big beds?
What are we going to do, Bob? Well, we're safe for now. Thank goodness we're in a bowling alley. But any one of us could be next.
Honey, I'm home.
Something is happening to our town.
Where's my dinner?
Why don't you show them what you showed me before? You did willfully and consciously apply the following forbidden paint colors: red, pink, vermilion, puce.
I didn't mean to hurt anybody. I just have to paint.
Jeff Daniels, William H. Macy, Joan Allen, Reese Witherspoon, and Tobey Maguire.
This behavior must stop at once.
But see, you can't stop something that's inside you.
Pleasantville. It's just around the corner.
How about some marshmallow rice squares?
Those are swell.
Following previous actor volunteers in Motion Picture America.
If you want the girl back alive, listen and do not talk. The drop will be made tonight, 11 p.m.
The amount will be $50 million.
$50 million? Who do you think you kidnapped, Chelsea Clinton?
Detective James Carter loved his job just a little too much.
You destroyed half a city block.
That block was already messed up.
And you lost a lot of evidence.
Still got a little bit left.
But the job got a little too dangerous.
You have 29 minutes left.
I got everything under control. Mama!
I want to speak with my daughter.
Tom was about to get his daughter back and you screwed it up.
I would like one of my people to help.
Now it's time to bring in the master.
Please tell me you speak English. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? I don't want no partner, I don't need no partner, and I ain't gonna never have no partner. The coach ain't have a partner? Yeah, the fat guy. The Columbo have a partner? No. Put your own bag in the back. I'm not a sky cat.
Beach Boys.
Oh, hell no. Don't ever touch your black man's radio, boy.
They're two cops with nothing in common.
Do it again. Like this?
Except the case
Hello, I have one more chance.
they can't walk away from.
Agent Carter is very passionate about finding your daughter.
Which one of y'all kicked me?
From New Line Cinema. The fastest hands in the East.
Wow.
Meet the biggest mouth in the West.
Just received a threat on the building. We ask you to please exit the building. Do not panic. You hear right there? Get the hell out of here. Come on, minute.
Jackie Chan.
I can't hold it anymore. Just hang on, man. I'll be right back.
Chris Tucker.
FBI. Take a picture. It's okay. Wait a minute.
Rush Hour.
We can hang my crib. I will show you my hood.
What the hell did you just say?
Now playing at a motion picture theater near you.
Following previous actor volunteers in Motion Picture America.
We're not lost.
No! We're not lost.
We simply misplaced the French army. 40,000 men.
Wait here for me. I'll come back for you. I won't forget.
Now available from New Line Home Video. Harry wrote a bestseller about his best friends.
You told our whole story.
But when you kiss and tell,
Hey, you want to shoot me? Shoot me.
you go to hell.
Pause this. Serial killers, lawyers who appear on television.
Demi Moore, Judy Davis, Kirstie Alley, Julia Louis-Dreyfus, Woody Allen, and Billy Crystal.
You want me to turn on the air conditioner?
Your air conditioner?
Sure, it messes up the ozone layer.
Deconstructing Harry, rated R. The most critically acclaimed film of the decade, The Sweet Hereafter, on over 250 critics' top 10 lists, more than any other film. The Sweet Hereafter. Newsweek calls it mesmerizing. A luminous masterpiece, rates USA Today. Nominated for 2 Academy Awards, including Best Director Adam McGoyan. The Sweet Hereafter, rated R. And now, our feature presentation.
This sounds a modified Sergio versions performed for your TV. Fun.